And okay, broken my rod. God damn it. Done a MacGyver / Homer Simpson repair job. Oh, there we go, first one. Welcome along to another river in Ireland, back on a lovely wild river here this evening. Only got about an hour and a half maybe to play with before it's going to get dark, so won't be a long session, but hopefully it's going to be a good one. Got the 6 foot ultralight spinning rod, 2000 reel. I got my trusty default option, which is the copper Meps. I always default with that to begin with, so just threw one of those on there and gonna give that a go. We're gonna fish upstream, wading upstream, casting upstream, and looking for wild brown trout. So we'll get straight into it. Before I move far into the water, give it a couple of casts over to the other side there, just see if there might be anything sitting over there. God damn it, up in the tree. And okay, broken my rod. God damn it. Let's see if we can do a pass job and finish the rest of the session anyway. Disaster. Okay. I've done a MacGyver / Homer Simpson repair job. I had a bit of plaster in my jacket, fisher jacket, and I used a little bit of a twig as a splint. I don't know if this is even going to work, but we'll give it a go. If I can land a trout on this, it's going to be fun. I've just realised I forgot my net as well, so not the best start so far, but look, we'll have to give it a go anyway, we'll see. Well, we got to cast out anyway. With the tension on loose, and I'll tighten it up a little bit. It's retrieving anyway. Next test now will be if we meet a fish. Casting is a bit wonky for sure. Hopefully. Oh, here we go, first one. Little guy. That's wet hands there. I can't, or I've no net. But there we go. A fish landed on my gammy rod. Beautiful looking little brownie. That's in the lip here. There we go. Lovely little guy, beautiful, well developed, perfect colours, perfect spots and everything, little brownie. So there we go, it works. Okay, I did a bit of a patch job, extra patch job on the rod there to try and get us through the next section. We have maybe an hour or so left. I also switched it up. I'm going to get much in that section. I switched it up to a silver with red dots. That in general actually in the past has done better down around this area, so we'll give it a go. There's not much water here in front of us. We'll get up beyond that into the next pool here. Oh, I literally took my eye off it and turned away. Judging by the splash, it was no okay fish. Strange to see such little action in that. Those two pools, but even though the water's cooler, it's still very, very low. And I noticed there's been a bit of landscaping going on right up those two pools. I wonder has that disturbed things, as I would expect it to meet a couple more fish anyway there. That'll be the nice fish there. Turns out it's a handbag. I think it's a handbag anyway. It's gone anyway, some bit of textile or a floor tile or something. I could get used to this rod. And I'll serious since though I got a good run out of it. I was just careless carry on with the tree earlier. But I got a good 2 and a bit years out of it, so can't complain. I think it cost, I don't know, might have been 20 odd or 30 odd euros in Murray's, so have to get in there tomorrow now and get a new one. Get up now to the edge of this fast water and fish this pool. So there's a lot more flow here. Hasn't been disturbed by that landscaping, so fingers crossed for a bit more luck here now. There we go. Little guy, but something. Tiny, smaller than the first guy, I'd say. Just in the lip there. Oh, cut around the line and we got him away. Tiny guy, but again, just perfectly developed. Beautiful. I jump by the lower there, I don't really take a bite off it. The spinner. Little guy. Give one or two more casts up here, and then we just have to admit defeat. Yeah, that's going to be it. Stuck in the tree the way we end, the way we started. Just don't get it. Yeah, that's the end of the ride. So a beautiful full moon down there. near full moon. The full moon's about 3 days away. It's pretty much full. I don't think camera will get that well, but you can see the rod is snapped again, so we got a session out of it. So the rod held up, but fishing was very poor, very strange. I've never seen it so quiet. I've never seen the fishing so quiet. But there's these things happen. I probably should have taken the omen when I snapped the rod early on. First time I've ever done that. But we did a Homer Simpson repair job and ended up at least not wasting the session. And again, I always say, even when the fish aren't biting, it's just great to know with this, especially there now this evening. It's beautiful. And the bit there with that moon, it's absolutely stunning. So yeah, that's going to be it for now. Quick session, quiet session, but enjoyable all the same. So thanks for watching this far, as always, and thanks to everybody who's been subscribing and leaving comments and whatnot. Always great to see them. So I've got plenty of content recorded, so I'll be releasing videos right through the close season. I should have enough footage to get us through that. So even when we can't go fishing, the videos will keep coming. And so stay tuned for all of that. I'll catch you again very soon on another bit of water somewhere in Ireland.